Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from English Logger. I welcome you all to my channel and I'm happy to be back over here after so long. Thank you for appreciating me and motivating me in my journey. In the previous video, we talked about what is a sentence and structure of a sentence. And in today's video, we are going to talk about kinds of sentences and how we can differentiate kinds of sentences. So let's get started. Next we have kinds of sentences. We have four kinds of sentences. Assertive, you may call declarative also, meaning is same. Interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Now what you are supposed to do is you just need to learn these terms, that assertive with spelling, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. These are the four kinds of sentences we are going to discuss in this video. Moving on. So the very first kind of sentence which we are going to learn in this video, that is assertive or declarative. मतलब दोनों का सेम है, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. assertive लिखोगे तो भी ठीक है, declarative लिखोगे तो भी ठीक है. रूल क्या है इसका? सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है. अगर किसी ने कुछ डिक्लेयर किया है, कुछ बताया है, कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की है, तो ये डिक्लेरेटिव हो गया. ठीक है. हमेशा ये सेंटेंस जो होता है वो फुल स्टॉप लगता है लास्ट में. ओके. जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया है, माई नेम इज आकांक्षा, मेरा नाम आकांक्षा है. वी विल बी गोइंग फॉर अ मूवी टुमारो, कल हम मूवी देखने जाएंगे. दे आर गोइंग होम और दे आर डूइंग वर्क, वो काम कर रहे हैं. द स्कूल विल रिमेन क्लोज टुमारो, कल स्कूल की छुट्टी है, कल स्कूल बंद रहेगा. तो ये क्या है? ये आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. ये आपको कुछ बता रहे हैं, तो ये डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस है. और भी इजी वे है इसको करने का. यू मे ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंस इनटू हिंदी टू आइडेंटिफाई विच काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज दिस. In this, we are talking about interrogative. This is the second type of sentence where you get this term interrogative. Interrogative, it means just think that interrogative, asking questions. Simple, nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. It is just interrogative means you have to ask questions. So at the end of the sentence, you will be getting question mark. So that is your interrogative. What is your name? Where are you going? When will you come back? Who has gone outside? Which is your house? And number of questions are there. So when you are asking questions, so that sentence is an interrogative sentence. Nothing else you are going to learn into this. Always remember, when there is a simple statement declaring something, it means that is an declarative sentence, assertive sentence. When we are asking questions, so that means that kind of sentence is an interrogative sentence. Next is, so the next kind of sentence we have imperative sentence. In this we learn about the order, command, request, advice. These are the four things which you can see in this, and these are imperative sentences like shut the door, come in, you must consult to the doctor, you should study hard for the exam, could you please help me. So these kind of sentences are imperative sentences. They are showing either command, order, request. So request word is this: please, could you please, should, must, that you have to do. So such words if you are getting, it means these sentences are imperative sentences. Very simple. The next we have, this is a very last kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. You are not able to see so many sentences on screen. It's just wow, hooray, ouch. I think you get an idea about it. नहीं मिला तो मैं बताती हूँ. ये क्या होता है? एक तो the first thing is exclamatory mark. ठीक है? Always remember this is the exclamatory mark and related to exclamatory sentence. दूसरी चीज ये होती है जब हम अपनी फीलिंग्स, ठीक है, एकदम से सडन फीलिंग्स जो होती हैं कि कुछ देखा, ओ वाह, ओके, मैच जीत गए, हुर्रे वी वन द मैच, चोट लग गई, आउच. तो ये जो फीलिंग्स हैं, ठीक है, जो एकदम से आती हैं, सो दीज फीलिंग्स आर एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. और इन सेंटेंसेस में आपको एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, दैट इज मैंडेटरी. या तो आप उस मार्क से आइडिया लगा लो दैट दिस इज एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, खत्म. ठीक है, it's easy for you to identify the kind of sentences, but you have to learn the spellings, otherwise your teacher is going to deduct the marks. Second thing is that quick revision we are going to do, that we have done four kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative, one and the same thing. अगर आपने कोई information देनी है, कुछ बताना है किसी को, ठीक है, कुछ declare किया है, तो वो declarative sentence हो गया. इंटरोगेटिव में क्या होता है? आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन मार्क, खत्म. जैसे एक्सक्लेमेटरी में एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क है, इंटरोगेटिव में क्वेश्चन मार्क मिलेगा आपको, दैट्स इंटरोगेटिव. उसके बाद तीसरा क्या है? इंपैरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इंपैरेटिव सेंटेंस में क्या होता है? कमांड, ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट, एडवाइस, चार चीजें आएंगी. इसको आप हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके देख लेना कि ये ऑर्डर लग रहा है, ये कमांड लग रहा है, ये एडवाइस लग रहा है, या ये रिक्वेस्ट लग रहा है. रिक्वेस्ट में आपको प्लीज वाला वर्ड दिख जाएगा, सो यू कैन इजिली आइडेंटिफाई दैट दिस इज imperative sentence. The fourth exclamatory, which I have told you, exclamatory mark means exclamatory sentence. Now it's time of self-assessment. You have to answer the question asked, that is, identify the kinds of sentences. I have not given many sentences. These are only four sentences. You have to answer the question in the comments section and give your reviews there only. If you want to learn any specific topic where you stuck, please do let me know. I'm going to make video of that topic. So at the end of the video, I just request you, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel English Logger. Do press the bell icon so that you will get notification of the video. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel English Logger. Thank you and have a nice day.